Dogecoin, Doge in a real sense is a mineable coin that is at present exchanged at $0.068348 per unit, with the market capitalization of $9,569,580 when 145, that makes it a mid-position digital currency. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration for the most part retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a viable certainly support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. In this manner, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is basically an unquestionable requirement for any dealer and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. In any case, with it comes the need to intently, especially follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is happening, and for the most part have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model really was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to in a real sense, put resources into, and keep the value bend developing, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to diving into the inside and out Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to fundamentally help you to remember the sort of fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost forecast that depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto instability file, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.068348, and this very specific computerized resource really stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, which especially is very critical. For your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money is vigorously dependent on its extremely current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to in a kind of significant manner. Likewise, to really get a kind of better handle of the market circumstance and figure out the overall heading of the pattern, or to especially enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on July 1st, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.066452 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.10% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost 7 days prior. On June 25, the Dogecoin market remained at $0.066740 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its certainly present standing. A month prior, on June 2, Dogecoin was valued at $0.071509, which in a real sense concurred with our cost expectation for that kind of specific period, which is genuinely huge. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 4.42% cost move. These figures ought to yield you some understanding into the very current market structure, though our inside and out cost estimate depends on the appearances of CVIX. Yet, to grasp the general capability of Dogecoin, or any kind of other cryptographic money besides, it's essential to generally consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource. Amazingly, at the point when it especially comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer, or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its really in general ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a fundamentally large manner. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a vital pointer to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense complete number of coins that in every practical sense are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the essentially current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by all things considered, remains at $0.068348. Considering that equation, we have determined the fundamentally current market capitalization of Dogecoin to sort of be at $9,569,580 when 145, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those really present on the digital money market in an essentially huge manner. Yesterday, on July 1st, the market capitalization of Dogecoin most certainly remained at $9,302,283,024. Keep going week. On June 25, the aggregate sum of capital gave to Dogecoin was laid out at $9,337,232,300. The information from a month prior, enlisted on June 2, shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $9,982,009,626. Of course, while the market capitalization of Dogecoin fills in as a moderately obvious sign of the size and the exhibition of the evaluated digital money, it could not sort of be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market essentially is created in adequate amount, as will be made sense of later. The volume could be pivotal while deciding the possible heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other bearing. The market capitalization in the example of a computerized resource could be impacted by the quantity of dynamic exchanges inside the relating blockchain network in every practical sense. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in designers' or alternately holders' chilly wallets. The for the most part all-out supply likewise considers any coins that by and large have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that sort of is public on the securities exchange. The complete stock of Dogecoin right now remains at 140,125,546,384 Doge, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile is the most normally involved, especially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It compares with the best estimation of the general number of coins that for the most part are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity, or so they thought. Their volume does exclude the coin. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with essentially deciding genuinely better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that, as per the guidelines of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently, most certainly happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally high volume, since their large cash fundamentally had especially become an integral factor. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market was as per the following. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $372,365,165 as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on July 1st, the truly normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $489,075,829. 7 days prior, on June 25, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $277.0 when to 372. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing bearing or making an inversion.